Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at a new rear armrest option for the 68 to 77 Broncos. These rear seat armrests were prone to sun damage, wear and tear, and may even be missing. Dennis Carpenter now offers the ginger color option for replacing these rear armrests on your classic Ford Bronco. Made exactly like the originals, they feature the factory correct textured design and are molded over a sturdy metal backing with mounting studs and include the mounting nuts for trouble-free installation. These rear armrests fit both the left and right hand side, and they will perfectly match our door armrests, which are also available separately. Replacing your rear armrest will give your Bronco restoration that factory fresh look. And you can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.